Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards here. We have 7 of swords, 10 of cups, and 2 of swords. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. So there is someone who is trying to avoid responsibilities, guys. Maybe you love them, you want a deep commitment, true commitment with this person, and you want engagement or marriage, but this person just does not want that responsibility, guys, and they are running away from responsibilities. And for some of you, I also see that there is someone trying to use your skills, talents, or use you financially. So you need to be really careful, guys. You are in a very good position in life, and there is this person trying to use your skills, talents, or use your financial status for their benefit. So you need to be aware of this person. If you have a vague idea who it is, you have to stay away from them, guys. And I also see that in certain things you are really happy the way things are in your work or in your personal life. You are feeling happiness, contentment, and joy in your life today. Things are going in a very positive way for y'all, guys, Sagittarius. And you are also making some important decisions for your life, Sagittarius. Maybe you have a truth in your heart, something which you love, something which you are really passionate about, and you want to decide something based on that, but your circumstances are not allowing that, or if you make that choice, it is going to be really a heartbreak for someone else. So you are waiting, you don't want to hurt this person, and you don't want to hurt yourself at the same time. So that is the reason you are waiting to make that choice today. So there is some kind of important decision you are making in your life today, guys. And this may be your energy or their energy. Maybe you are avoiding responsibilities or they are avoiding responsibilities, this person you love. That is the reason they are avoiding you, running away from you, not willing to meet you or speak to you, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes after a few seconds of silence. So when you choose the card, that reading may resonate, guys, may answer your questions or doubts you have in your mind. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. We have the Frog Prince, intimacy. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, there is someone interested in you, they are coming towards you, but you are not willing to let themselves come towards you. You are pushing them away from you, maybe because you are scared of intimacy with that person. Intimacy does not mean a very close relationship. It also means that having open hearted communication with that person, guys. So you are afraid of that. You are afraid of that true intimacy and the challenges it brings. Maybe you have an image of yourself and you don't want to, and you always you always portray the image you have, but you don't want this person to know the truth, what you are in truth. So you are afraid of something, so that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe there is someone interested in you, and maybe if you are willing to let down your guard, let this person understand your truth, what is there in your heart, you are simply going to see beautiful changes in your life, and there is going to be a beautiful relationship flourishing for you guys. And you need to understand that. That is the energy with this card. And when you are truly intimate with someone, it has its own rewards. And today, that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you, because you do not want them to know what is there in your heart and what you are. That is the reason you are keeping them at a distance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading with the first card, the Frog Prince. So let's see what is the second card, guys. The second card, for those who chose this card, let's see, it is check your emotions. So with this card, guys, it just means that today in your situation, maybe there is a particular circumstance today and you are feeling really emotional. And sometimes when we are emotional, our feelings get the better of us and we react immediately, and we go for spontaneous impulses. Whatever we want to say, we just blurt it out. But today we need to keep our emotions and feelings in check, because this is the time for appropriate responses, so not reactions. So when we feel really angry, sad, or we are desperate in some situation, we should not express all that to hurt the other person. In that heat of the moment, we should not let our words hurt that other person. So we should keep a check on that, keep a check on our emotions today. And when we do that, we will be able to find a balance, and it is a very good thing. It's a very great thing for us and for that other person in the long run, guys. So when we express our happiness or sadness through in a very careful manner, through appropriate responses instead of reactions, it is going to change the way things are between us, and it is going to be helpful in finding the balance we need in our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the second card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.